Hello you guys, CimplyCeCe here and welcome back to my channel you guys. So excited to be filming. I will apologize before I jump into the video for the lack of activity on my channel you guys. It's been hectic going from full time. I've been traveling, but I'm gonna fill you guys in on everything that's been going on if you're interested, so stay tuned for a little let me catch you up video, and that'll be something that's coming on my channel as well. But today, as you can tell from our thumbnail, honey, we are talking about these sister locks, and I love them so much. And give me 1 second, let me close this door because I hear my kids playing. 1 second. And you guys, also, if you hear some rumbling, it's kind of storming outside, and as you can see from my window, it's nighttime. Now here in Missouri, it's 7:20, but it's dark by 5:30. So anyways, so excuse my lighting and stuff. I'm trying to make it so y'all can see me, okay? But anyway, you guys, like I was saying, you can tell from the thumbnail, it is all about my sister locks. I'm loving my hair. I mean, just let's take a moment to appreciate progress. I did upload my 1-year anniversary. That was officially on 9/12 of 21. I was installed 9/12 of 2020. So technically, my last one said 12-month update, but it's really my 12th retie. Today is December the, what is it? Let me see y'all, because I don't know right now. Today is December 15th. So I'm officially, I am 15 months. So this is really 15 months since I've had my hair installed, but this is only my 13th retie, or my 14th. I think it's my 14th because in the first month, I went back in like 3 weeks and got a retie, so it wasn't a full month. So it's like my 14th retie, but it's 15 months since I've been sister locked, if my math is correct. Y'all can use the comment section down below if I'm totally screwing that up. But anyways, I'm just loving it. I did do a 1-year anniversary video. I know, so if you're new to my channel and you have never seen any of my videos and you want to see where I started with my sister lock journey, because this is your first time clicking on a sister lock video of mine, please check out my 1-year anniversary video. I think you'll really enjoy it. The transformation to me was amazing. In my life, I've never seen my hair progress so quickly. So it's been wonderful. I think it has a lot to do with the fact that my hair our hair in general, my textured hair just loves to be kind of locked and clumped together. Like I got some buildup, y'all. And if I got it, it's from me. I did it. But anyway, for those of you who have never seen me before, my name is CimplyCeCe and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here. I have a ton of new subscribers. In my opinion, I'm gonna say a ton because we're gonna keep speaking it and manifesting it. But thank you all for joining me here on my channel. We are on our way to, what, 1,200? So let's do the dang thing. And if you don't know anything about YouTube, I'm on my way to being monetized, which is such a blessing. I've hit that first milestone, which is having 1,000 subscribers, thanks to all of you guys. So I mean, seriously, thank you guys so much for joining me here and just vibing with your girl and coming to see what I'm doing, because I'm just a regular person like y'all, so y'all don't have to spend no time with me. But if you do, thank you. If you want to do an extra thing, watch this video all the way to the end, or watch the video for 1 more minute longer, because we're trying to get those watch hours up. So y'all know what I'm talking about, and if y'all want to help your girl out, I greatly appreciate that. But without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. she knows. But I've drawn the conclusion, it's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. A misconception, a mass deception. Something's gotta change. Don't be offended, this is all my opinion. Ain't nothing that I'm saying, Lord. This is a true confession of a life-learned lesson I was sent here to share with y'all. So get in where you fit and go on and shine. Clear your mind, now's the time. It's all on the shelf, go on and love yourself, cause everything is gonna be alright. Expensive minks, I don't need that to have a good time. Keep your expensive car and your caviar.
So you guys, like I was saying, I'm in love with the hair, with the locks. I mean, I love my hair. The fullness is there, as you can see. Like, I love this fullness. I have fine hair. These locks are amazing because they make me look like my hair is a lot thicker than it is. Some people have even commented and said that my hair is thick, but you guys, it's really fine hair, and this is a lot of what I say, because I do locks like budding, which I think means, and I don't know, so don't quote me, it means that like, I think it's really basically when the shedded hair, because our hair naturally sheds, starts to get tangled and locked up into the lock, which makes it a lock, makes it where it doesn't come out. So anyway, I love it. I think that helps it look fuller. Like, look at it. I love the length of it. I do, y'all. I'm trying to show y'all like profile, because it's like really like neck length, and it's shrinkage. So in my back, so we're about right here, but my back is definitely shorter just because of how I had my hair cut. It was cut shorter in the back than in the front. This is why we have this little heart shape thing going on. Naturally my hair just has layers because everybody's hair naturally grows out in layers because it's growing from different points of the head. But I know for a fact the back was a little bit shorter than the top, because if it was this length it would be a bit longer. But anyways, I love them. I mean, y'all, we have talked about it for a while. I'm gonna keep updating you guys because I just think the journey has been amazing. I always talk about it being an inward and outward journey. It has been great. So on to info about the locks. So I had a starter lock over here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Hold on one second, you guys. Okay, guys, sorry. People interrupted me. But anyway, I had a little starter lock right over here. Not that one. Where you at? I gotta find it. Right here. She's short. She was in there and she fell out like right when I was about to get it retwisted. But anyway, she restarted it, and this one survived through the last retie. So they doing the dang thing. These right here on the end, you guys, I just put these in. These are some makeshift stuff I did. So I just started with a 2-string twist, and then I did the 2-way rotation on it. I got that from Miss King K. So I went in, pulled it back and down, back and down. And I did the same thing over here, because you guys, y'all already know I got struggle edges, so I can't have nothing else pulled back. And this hair, I'm hoping, y'all know, I don't ask nothing of these locks, y'all. I love them. They doing the dang thing. But that I can start a lock here and a lock here that'll stay in, and this become a lock. And then other than that, I will deal with it, because I know I got struggle edges. So I'm just like, listen, if those 4 can become locks, I'm a happy camper. That's all I got to say about that. But anyway, other than that, you guys, I don't have anything else to express. I'm not even trying to be funny. I'm loving it. This is from a braid out. I think I'm going to do some braid outs a lot throughout this time before my next retie, which is going to be in about 5 weeks. Because I love the way this looks. It gives me some nice fullness. If you guys enjoyed my styling video, do not worry. I have some more styles that I have done on my hair. Simple things too. One of them involving pretty much no hairpins at all. So if you're not really into the hairpins, I have a little, you know, quick little something to do. If your locks are short, I don't find a lot of videos on YouTube where the hair is about my length, you know. So I really, and I've been playing in my hair a lot and learning different things, so I'm trying to share those with you guys. So I will be sharing that soon. That is coming. Stay tuned. I'm getting on a better schedule. I got a work schedule and I got my off days so I can start filming again, because y'all, it's been crazy. But anyway, I want to let you guys know that. But if you haven't seen my styling video, it's on my channel, so go check it out. I only have one of them for my sister locks, and that's one of many to come. I am, you know, predicting that. What else is there? The shampooing has been good. Now, I think I got a little bit of buildup right here, as you can see in this lock. But, you know, I ain't even mad. I don't even care. I mean, they looking real good, though. They looking real nice. And I just like them. I just do that to kind of fluff them out or whatever. So, your girl is in love with her hair. I'm loving this journey. It has been wonderful. The transformation from 1 year has just been remarkable, and I love it, and I cannot believe that it looks like this. Like I said, I was trying to profile and show the side, the length, you know, and that's not even stretched. So we stretched my hair, people, in 1 year. Come on, in 1 year, ma'am, sir, anybody listening, okay, come through here. And up here, this is where we at. It springs up there, but y'all, we about to be on chin status in the front, hey. We about to be on chin status in the front, hey, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna quit. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just super excited because they do shrink up, but ma'ams, look at y'all. They are out here. And this has just been, like I said, about 15 months. It's just been a wonderful, wonderful transformation. Like, hair is just, flourishing. So, you know, if you guys are starting your journey, be patient, you guys. Be patient. Your hair, your patience will pay off. Your hair is going to do what it is meant to do, and that is grow, honey. So be patient. Hang in there, all my shorties, because we still short, but we won't be short forever. And honestly, in my first 15 months to be this long is crazy. Next year, you know, I'm just like, if it does this, honey, if it does this in another 15 months, y'all talking about what we're gonna be stretching to, like, listen, y'all stay tuned for this journey, because your girl ain't even started cutting up yet, okay? It's about to go down. Anyway, but I love you guys. I don't have much to say. I really don't. The shampooing thing is good. I'm enjoying them. I'm still on a journey. We praying for them. So if everybody would please touch the screen, just touch the screen and agree that these four little on my struggle edges is gonna be locks one day. We all in agreement, and he will be in the midst. So I'm like, they come in and that's it. I do want to get, like, my nape isn't clean yet, and I'll probably go ahead and do something tonight. I just forgot about it, to be honest, because the ones on the sides, you guys, I just put those in. So I think I'm probably gonna go through here in a minute and just twist it and do the 2-way rotation on these and see how long they'll go.
Mommy,
yes, Raven?
I want to watch this.
Okay, well, let me finish the video, boo, and then we're going to get to it. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Ready? Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
There. So, yeah, you guys, I'm going to do I'm going to do it back here. And I might do a snippet of showing you guys how I do that if y'all interested. It doesn't mean it's going to stay in, but my goal and what my belief is like, maybe if I put it in there. Okay, Raven, you want to get down? Oh, you do have a scratch on you. We got to figure that out in a second. But I'll share a little snippet. Okay, all right, we'll get it. Go get the Band-Aids and I'll come and help you in a minute. Because excuse me, I ain't gonna get nothing done with her. But I'll do a snippet of showing y'all how I do that if you're interested. My prayer is that it can lock, because since I shampooed my hair yesterday, I only shampoo my hair right before my retie. So I'm trying to go the whole 5 weeks almost without shampooing my hair, and I'm hoping they can start to get a little something in there. But anyway, you guys, as always, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. Remember that God doesn't want to trick you. He never wants to hurt you. He loves you, and he cares for you. And honeys, I will talk to y'all later.
Keep
Bye.
your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone. I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine. Oh.